Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to set up paid time off in Outlook, ensuring your colleagues and clients are informed. First, open your Outlook calendar. This is the starting point for managing your availability. Next, create a new appointment or event. You will need to specify the exact start and end dates for your planned leave. This initial step takes just a few moments, setting the foundation for your seamless time away from work. Once your event is created, it is crucial to mark it correctly. Change the show as status to out of office to visually indicate your unavailability to others. Add a clear subject line, perhaps paid time off or vacation, so everyone understands the purpose. Include a brief, informative message in the event body, offering any necessary details. This ensures clarity and helps manage expectations while you are away. Now, let's set up your automatic replies. Navigate to the automatic replies feature, often found under File in Outlook. Enable automatic replies for the exact duration of your time off. You will want to craft two distinct messages, one professional message for internal colleagues and a separate, more concise message for external senders. This ensures appropriate communication for everyone who tries to reach you, providing a smooth experience for all. Finally, ensure your team is aware of your absence. Share your calendar with relevant colleagues or your manager, granting them appropriate viewing permissions. Take a moment to review all your settings, confirming everything is accurate before saving your changes. This final check ensures your paid time off is visible to all necessary team members. With these steps complete, you can enjoy your well-deserved time off with complete peace of mind.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.